Hi, today I'm going to show you how to host website on Cloudflare pages. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to cloudflare.com and log in using your user credentials. After navigating here, you'll have to simply click on the compute workers option in the left. Now, you will see a drop down menu appearing where you'll have to click on workers and pages. After you click on workers and pages, select the pages tab. Now, here, select import an existing Git repository. After you select that, select the new GitHub repository that you created and then select Begin Setup. In the Setup Builds and Deployment section, provide the following information, that is the production branch, build command, and build output directory. Unlike many of the framework guides, the build command and build output directory for your site are going to be completely custom. And if you're not using a preset and do not need to build your site, use exit 0 as your build command. Cloudflare recommends using exit 0 as your build command to access features such as pages function. The build output directory is where your application's content lives. After configuring your site, you can begin your first deploy. Your custom build command will run and pages will deploy your static site. Now, after you have deployed your site, you will receive a unique subdomain for your project on pages.dev section, and Cloudflare pages will automatically rebuild your project and deploy it. You will also get access to preview deployments on new pull request. So you can preview how changes look to your site before deploying them to production. So that's a simple way through which you can host website on Cloudflare pages. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.